let us begin the reading of lesson number 22, Our Universe. First of all, let us solve the warm-up exercise. Circle the things you see in the sky. Now, the first thing is sun. Yes, we see this thing in the sky, so we will circle it. Second is cloud. We can see cloud also in the sky, so we will circle it. Third is tree. We cannot see tree on sky, right? We cannot see tree in the sky, so we will not circle it. Fourth are tiny specks of light. That means it is star. We can see stars in the sky, so we will circle it. Fifth is moon. We can see moon also in sky, so again we will circle it. Okay. Now let us start the reading. During the day, when the sun shines, the sky is blue and seems endless. Look at the sky at night. You will see that there are thousands of tiny specks of light in the sky. Most of these are stars. Some are bright, while others may be very faint. Observe carefully and you might see that some specks do not twinkle. The solar system. In olden times, people found that some of the tiny lights seen in the sky which did not twinkle were moving. They were not seen in the same position every time people looked at the sky. Sometimes they were not seen at all, so they called them planets, which means wanderer. We live on the earth, which is a part of the great solar system. We also see the sun and the moon in the sky. These heavenly bodies are also part of the solar system. The solar system consists of the sun, the moon, the earth and the other planets which go around the sun. Stars. Although there are several million stars in the sky, we see only few of these on a clear night. All stars have their own light. The stars which are close to us appear very bright. The stars that are very far away from us looks dim. Groups of stars are called clusters. Did you know stars are always in the sky, even during the day? We cannot see them in the daytime because the sun outshines them. When night falls, they show up clearly against the dark sky. Constellation. If you look at these clusters, you will see that they form some patterns. Such group of stars are called constellations. People have given names to these constellations based on the picture they appear to make. Millions of stars of various sizes form galaxies. Galaxies have different shapes and move in space. The solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. When seen through a telescope, the Milky Way galaxy looks like a white patch of milk across the night sky. This is how it got its name. The Sun. The Sun is also a star. It is at the center of the solar system and is a huge ball of very hot gases. The sun is close to the earth, so its heat and light reach us. There will be no life on earth without the sun. Planets. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called the inner planets as they are closer to the sun. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called outer planets. Planets have no light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. They move around the sun in a fixed path known as orbit. Like a top, planet also spin around on an invisible axis. All planets have different sizes. Jupiter is the largest planet. Now turn your page. The moon. Just as you have friends, planets also have companions. The companions of planets are called satellites and they move around their planets. Satellites also reflect the light of the sun. The moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Although from Earth both the sun and moon appear to be of same size, the moon is actually smaller. However, it is a lot closer to the Earth than the sun. The changing shape of the moon are called phases of moon. This happens because of the changing position of the moon in relation to the earth and the sun. We only see the part of moon that is lit up by the sun. Due to advancement of technology, astronauts have visited the moon using space shuttles and rockets. It has been discovered that the moon has rocky mountains and sand-covered plains. It also has huge holes in the ground known as craters. Did you know the moon takes about 28 days to go around the earth? The earth. The earth is the only planet we know that has life on it. The earth is also known as the blue planet because 3/4 of its surface is covered by water and 1/4 by land. It has a layer of air known as atmosphere surrounding it. It is also at the right distance from the sun. So, plants, animals and human beings can live on Earth. Let us solve the textual exercise. Choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. The options are moon, 8, stars, Milky Way, Mercury. Now let us begin. First one, there are dash planets in the solar system. We all know there are 8 planets. So we will write here 8. Second, dash have their own light, stars have their own light. According to the option, star is the correct one. Third one, the solar system is in the dash galaxy. The solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. So you will write here Milky Way. Fourth one, the satellite of Earth is the, what is the satellite of Earth? It is obviously moon. So we will write here moon. Fifth one, dash is the planet closest to the sun. So the answer is Mercury. B1, write whether the following statements are true or false. Stars have their own light. It is true. The sun is a star. That is also true. There are 9 planets in our solar system. That is false. The moon is a satellite of Earth. Again, it is true. The earth is an inner planet. True. Match the column. Sun. Sun is a star. So near star we will write number 1. Moon. Moon is a satellite. So near satellite we will write number 2. Earth. Earth is a planet. So near planet we will write number 3. Group of stars. Constellation. So you will write here 4. Milky Way. The correct one is galaxy. So we will write number 5. So here the textual exercise is finished. All students have to complete this textual exercise as well. Okay.